Hello students. Now we are going to continue further. Representative type of democracy. You know that people do not in this type of democracy, people do not participate directly but choose their representative through elections. Now what these representatives do? These representatives make decision for the entire population. Okay, like you people used to say your problems to them, this is happening, that is happening, and they try to solve your problem by taking various kinds of decisions. Here is a note for you that for a democratic government there should be universal adult franchise in that particular country. Okay, means if you want to say a country is democratic, it can be only when there is universal adult franchise in that country. Okay, like if we say India is a democratic country, we all know that there is universal adult franchise also in our country. What is universal adult franchise? Now any person who is 18 years old or above is allowed to vote without any discrimination of caste, color and creed. Okay, means if you are 18 years old or above, you are going to vote, you have right to vote, and there should be no discrimination with you on any basis. Note, Gandhiji wrote Young India Journal and expressed his views in the favor of universal adult franchise. You know, Gandhiji was a great leader, a very famous personality, father of the nation, and he also expressed his views in the favor of universal adult franchise in his journal Young India, and he wrote this journal in 1931. Okay, suffrage movement. You know that this movement took place during the World War, when the men went for fighting in the war, and women used to perform every task performed by men. When women realized that they are as strong as men and there is no difference between both of them, then they started demanding for their voting rights. After a lot of struggle, by observing strikes, hunger strikes, carrying out various kinds of processions, they got their voting rights. In the end, American women got their voting rights in 1920 and UK women got their voting right in 1928. Now in the last, there is a note, government make laws and everyone in the country has to follow these laws. Okay, means if government is making laws for us, we all have to follow these laws. Okay, now there is a map for your knowledge that this is a rough diagram of India. Here are the neighboring countries of India: Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh. Okay, and here are two water bodies: Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, and here is Indian Ocean also in the south, and this is Sri Lanka again, another neighboring country. Thank you so much.